Come test drive the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.